What is global warming? Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's surface observed since the pre-industrial period between 1850 and 1900 due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases heat trapping greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere. Now, let's go to the global warming causes and effects. We have the causes: rapid industrializations, energy use, agricultural practices, deforestations, consumer practices, livestock, transport, resource extractions, pollutions, and let's go to effects. We have rising temperature, rising sea levels, unpredictable weather patterns, increase in extreme weather events, land degradations, loss of wildlife and biodiversity. So let's begin with causes. Rapid industrialization. When fossil fuels are burned, they release large amount of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas into the air. Greenhouse gases trap heat in our atmosphere, causing global warming. Deforestation. Deforestation causes carbon dioxide to linger in the atmosphere. As carbon dioxide accrues, it produces a layer in the atmosphere that traps radiations from the sun. The radiation converts to heat, which causes global warming, which is better known as the greenhouse effect.
Pollution. Global warming, also known as climate change, is caused by a blanket of pollution that traps heat around the Earth. This pollution comes from cars, factories, homes, and power plants that burn fossil fuels such as oil, coal, natural gas, and gasoline. Global warming pollution knows no boundaries. Livestock. One agricultural source of greenhouse gases worldwide. In each year, a single cow will belch about 220 tons of methane. Methane from cattle is shorter lived than carbon dioxide, but 20 times more potent in warming the atmosphere, said Midloner, a professor and air quality specialist in the Department of Animal Science. Resource extraction. The extractions and processing of natural resources, biomass, fossil fuels, metals, and non-metallic minerals make up of the global greenhouse gas emissions, while contributing to more than 90% of global diversity loss and water stress impacts. Agricultural practices. Farming in particular releases significant amounts of methane and nitrous oxides, two powerful greenhouse gases. Methane is produced by livestock during digestion due to the enteric fermentation, and it released via belches. Now let's go to the effects. Rising of sea level. Global warming is causing global mean sea level to rise in two ways. First, glaciers and ice sheets worldwide are melting and adding water to the ocean. Second, the volume of the ocean is expanding as the water warms. Land degradation. The world's soil stores more carbon than the planets. biomass, and atmosphere combined. An increase of just 1% of carbon stocks in the top meter of the soil would be higher than the amount corresponding to the annual anthropogenic carbon dioxide emissions from the fossil fuels burning. Unpredictable weather patterns. Rising global average temperature is associated with widespread changes in weather patterns. Scientific studies indicate that extreme weather events such as heat waves and large storms are likely to become more frequent or more intense with human-induced climate change. There are three ways to stop global warming. Number 1. Recycle. We here at Woodley could not emphasize this enough because the facts behind recycling are foolproof. Recycling is the easiest way to help prevent global warming, but also one of the most beneficial solutions to a global problem. What makes recycling so important? You might ask. It is quite simple. When we recycle responsibly and use recycled materials to produce new products, we are reducing greenhouse gas emission. The key point here is that we are now also reducing energy consumption. Recycling and reusing plastic products is obviously an important cause to us. In fact, studies have shown that woolly materials can be recycled up to 5 times without any deterioration in its properties. Meaning this, if you see our sign on a package, rest assured you are making the right call for the benefit of environment when choosing us. Number 2. Avoid wasting of food. A way to help in terms of food is by not wasting it. When doing the daily groceries, please make sure you eat everything afterwards and recycle all the packaging responsibly. Food waste has also become a global issue and should be treated as such in every household. Big piles of rotting food at the local dump produce methane, a greenhouse gas, and this obviously is no good. So make sure your plate is always clean every time you're having a meal. Number 3. Become informed and educate others. Global warming affects every one of us. It is very real and there is only so much time left. Changes are necessary, starting from right now and helping others to understand and become informed. It's also crucial. The environment is already making sure its ever-changing habits are known globally. Now it's our turn to react and help save our planet together.